A light chop on the intracoastal
Right at
waters.
50.
A chance of thunderstorms in the evening.
Right at 50, come on.
A chance of showers.
Here we go.
A slight chance of
6,
thunderstorms after
5,
midnight.
4,
Friday.
3,
Southwest winds
2,
5 to 10
1.
knots.
Yeah. 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 Oh yeah, it's Miss. Oh yeah. No, I have not called my parents yet. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
Tornado watch for the following counties.
Oh yeah,
Mr. Krabs.
All right.
Publisher.
You go back up there.
Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 707, effective until 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh yeah.
This watch includes the following counties. In Florida, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk,
I forgot I left my 300 on it. Jump scared me.
A tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial and public radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Marine forecast for the following coastal weather service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for Central Lake County in east central Florida until 4:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Griffin, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
I like.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Eustis, Tavares, and Lisbon around 4:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Paisley and Pittman around 4:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Forest Hills. Take cover now.
Now we're chilling.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I don't think I'm going
Tornadoes
bad.
are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Serving Orlando and vicinity. This is NOAA weather radio station.
I'm like directly in the process of going to sleep. I've been trying
This
to
broadcast
for
comes
so
to you
long.
from
It's
the
like
National Weather
it's
Service
4:08
office in Melbourne.
a.m. I just want to sleep.
Hertz.